how many 30 and 40% dips we had. And in the last cycle, during 2020 to 2021, we had 20, 30% dips. And even during this cycle, during 2023, we had a couple 23, 24% dips. So what we have seen recently, these 10, 15% dips, even though they kind of suck, but they're really tame and conservative to what we have seen before. And they're perfectly normal. Nothing goes up in a straight line forever, right? But again, just because we have come back down from our 108 top to where we are now does not mean anything has changed fundamentally, right? Do not fall for the FUD. Do not get scared. Do not panic sell, especially, right? The best way to think about it is now the time is reset. You have gone back in time and now you're able to buy Bitcoin and your favorite crypto at a discount. But here's the good news, right? Well, besides that, besides being able to buy at a discount, you know what? We're moving according to plan. And I think most of you guys know this. Some of you guys may be new and some of you guys may be panicking and some of you guys are just looking for reassurance. But, you know, again, when in doubt, zoom out and you realize that we are moving according to plan. And the best part is most of the gains come after Christmas. Okay. And I showed you guys this morning. I showed you guys, if you go back to the last halving year in 2020, we went up 74% after December 23rd. And most of the gains came after January 1st. We went on a tremendous run after January 1st, right? So it could happen this year. Doesn't mean that we will mimic it exactly, but it may happen, and it may start, the whole entire market may start moving soon, right? Like I said at the beginning of this video, Bitcoin didn't move a whole lot, but today we did see pretty good movement with the alts. Okay, and I'll get to that in a little bit. But like I said, fundamentally, nothing has changed with Bitcoin. We know that the supply shock factor is still in play. I mean, with BlackRock ETF, Bitcoin's AUM hit 58 billion in less than a year. It took gold, or the gold AUM, how many decades to hit 33 billion? It took 20 years, 2 decades, and Bitcoin's AUM already basically doubled it within 1 year. That shows you the demand for Bitcoin versus gold. Okay, so there's definitely a supply shock happening. And just look at this headline. Basically, all hedge funds, investment advisors, you know, and even countries have talked about this. They're all looking to add Bitcoin next year. Okay, so